Hey, what's going on, guys? A Straight Tech here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a screen protector from Supcase for the iPhone 12. Now, I know this phone just came out last year. The new phones are out already, but I'm not planning on upgrading my phone just yet, just because I feel like this phone is good enough for me as of right now. The battery life is really good, the cameras are really good, and the screen is also actually pretty decent. So I went out of my way and I bought a screen protector from Supcase. Now, this is the first time me ever purchasing a screen protector from them. I have bought plenty of cases from them before, but like I said, this is gonna be the first time me unboxing and buying a screen protector from Supcase. So let's open this up real quick. So as you can see right there, it says open. So let's open this up. Okay, so that's pretty easy. It's a pretty big case, kind of nice actually. Take that out, nothing else in there, put that to the side. So it also comes with the guiding little cover right here so that you won't mess up. Put that to the side really quick. Okay, and this one costs, I believe, $10, and it only comes with one screen protector. Now I know there's plenty of screen protectors that are sold on Amazon that cost around the same and come with 3 screen protectors as well, but this one costs $10 and it only comes with one. So I'm assuming this is a really good screen protector because this one actually covers up the whole phone. As you can see right here, it doesn't have the little notch display up here. It actually covers the whole thing besides the earpiece, which is what I've been looking for, because as of right now I have one that just covers up to the notch and it goes around the Face ID and it goes all around the phone. So I've been having a screen protector for around 3-4 months now, and it's still pretty good, but I just wanted to try out the Supcase screen protector to see if it actually is really good. So I'm gonna put that right here. Okay, so on this one it does say top and nothing in the bottom actually, but you know that the top, the phone goes right here. So just with the phone flat on the surface, just put this on and it's gonna go just like that. So it's gonna be pretty easy. So also comes with instructions right here. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, installation, auxiliary tools. Let me just open this up. So it comes with a little microfiber cloth right here. It comes with the, take out the dust particles, those guide stickers. Comes with plenty of them. And it also comes with an alcohol prep pad. So we're gonna clean the phone first and then clean it off and dry it off with the microfiber cloth. And then from there, if there's any particles, we're gonna take it out with the little sticky tabs. And then we're gonna install the screen protector. So let me clean this up really quick, and I'm just gonna take out the screen protector. So let me just clean the phone off with the microfiber cloth first. I really gotta clean it just because, like I said, taking out the screen protector, they leave a lot of dirty particles behind from the edge corner of the screen protector. So I'm trying to get this as perfect as possible, because there's nothing more annoying than applying a screen protector and leaving a bubble behind because there is a particle behind the screen protector. So I'm trying to get this perfect on the first try. So I just want to see how this looks like. So it's pretty hefty actually. It feels nice. Feels pretty thick, so I'm assuming this is a really good screen protector for $10. And for this one, it comes with a little black railing around the phone, so that way it can blend in with the phone a little bit better. So let me put that to the side, and let me just clean this up really quick. So yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna clean it with the microfiber cloth. Make sure it's perfect. Okay, so it looks pretty much clean. Now I'm gonna take the sticky guard right here. I'm gonna get the big one. So let me just do this. Okay, so I think right there is good enough. Let me just put that to the side. Let me put this over. Okay. And I think from there, you're just gonna peel this off. I'm gonna put it face down so that way I don't get nothing stuck under there. And put this down. Okay, so make sure you press down in the middle first. Go through right here, and then from there work your way out into the outer screen of the phone. So at this point, just do that. You can take this off now. Okay. Sometimes you can use a credit card to do this, but for me personally, I find it a lot easier and more better to actually just use your finger and just press down on it, and eventually the bubbles do go to the edge of the screen. Just make sure you're doing it right. Just press them out and do it like that. Okay, just give me a few minutes and I'll be right back. Alright then, so I've been doing that for around 5 minutes now, and I can't seem to get a few bubbles out. Now, there isn't any particles behind these bubbles because you could just tell that there's nothing behind it, because if I go like this, they do go away for a certain amount of time and then they just end up coming back. So I know for a fact that these will disappear after a few days of me using the phone, me touching it, you know, typing on it and doing things like that. As of right now, they don't seem to be going away, but like I said, I know for a fact that these will not be staying here. There's nothing behind the screen protector that made it create a bubble. There's no particles behind it. The screen wasn't dirty. It was very clean. So I know for a fact that these will go away. Like I said, I'll give it a few days for it to go away once I start using the phone a lot more, and eventually they will disappear. But like I said, overall it does feel nice. The thing with the screen protector is that I could tell it between this one and the screen protector that I bought from Burlington a few months ago. From the corners, they do feel really nice. It feels like a rounded corner, whereas the one from Burlington, it just ends up being like a flat box on top of your phone. So when you swipe up to open up your apps, you do kind of feel that little sharpness at the end of the finger. So as you can see right here, you can't even tell that it has a screen protector on. So that's what I was saying earlier. When you have the other screen protector that goes around the notch, you could kind of tell that there's a screen protector on your phone. But with this certain type of screen protector, doesn't protect the whole phone except for the earpiece. So when you look at it from the front, you literally can't tell that there's a screen protector on right now. And with the black bezels around the screen protector, it just blends in perfectly with the front of the screen. So like I said earlier, when you kind of swipe up, it doesn't feel sharp at the edge of your thumb, so it feels really smooth. So you go like that, you can just feel it. The screen protector does feel really nice. It feels a lot better than my previous screen protector. So like I said, this does cost $10. It only comes with one, but at the end of the day, you are getting a good, dependable screen protector. And like I said, it feels real nice on the hands. Makes your phone really look real nice and seamless, like if it doesn't even have a screen protector on the phone in the first place. So that's been it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below if you guys are interested in buying a screen protector for your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 13, because I'm 1 year behind. So I'm gonna put that down in the description below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time.